Hey, where's your car? Chuk, 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 chuk. I am a fireman. I'm gonna help people. Where's your friend? Hello, friend. What are you doing today? Oh, I was just sleeping. What happened? Nothing. I'm just trying to see if you wanna play. Yeah, I'm gonna check the road first.
Me. Mine.
You hold that. What is that? What's coming? A big alligator, baby. Oh, this is a crocodile. This is even more scary. Ow, 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 ow. Help! 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 Up, up, up. Oh, you bring him to the hospital. Call the police. Yeah, you go to jail. Now I'll eat you, police. Ow, 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 help! Help! Oh, oh, oh. He's dead. Yay. Oh, help me. Help me. Oh, what happened? You got sick? You got hurt, huh? Bring him to the hospital, baby. Hospital. Oh no, let's fix him. Fix him. Grr, grr. Go fix him. Grr, 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 grr. Yay! I feel better now. Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna go around here. Hello, what are you doing? I'm just running around, round and round. Oh, hey, what happened to you? Oh, there's a big fish. They're eating us. Help us. Oh, there's another one there. Need help. It's getting bit. And there's another one here. Oh, what is that? Oh, a big fish. Help! Help! They're eating me. Help! Call the police. Call the police. Where's the police? Good. Put him in jail. Jail. There's another police coming. Oh, there's a police? Oh, yeah, you're going to jail. No, I'm gonna eat you. Oh no, help me, he's eating me. Help me, help me. Help me. Oh. Yeah, we did it. No, oh, he doesn't have a wheel. Okay. That's not a cop. What is that? That's a car. What color is this car?
Yellow.
Yellow car. Yeah. How about this?
Green bubble.
Green.
Bubble.
Good job. How about this car?
Black.
Black. It's a cop car. Cop car. Where's the Amazon? Oh, this is not Amazon. This is the mailman. What color is the mailman?
White.
White mailman. Hey. What is this?
I'm a rat.
Oh no.
I'm a rat.
Oh no, help me. Help me, I'm stuck. Oh, he's stuck there, Lucas.
I know.
Oh, get him. Get them the ladder. Get the ladder. Oh, here's the ladder. Yay! Get him, help him. Here, I'll help you. Shh. Oh no, he got stuck too. Oh no, we have to call the helicopter. Where's the helicopter? Go get him, Lucky. Help him. Yeah. The other one, help me. Yay. Bye. The mailman's gonna go. He has to deliver the mail. Mail. Here's your package, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Oh, here. You want your medicine? Here, there's the medicine. That's mail for you, ambulance. Bye. Oh, you want your mail? I have your mail, fireman. Here's some water. Oh, yours. I don't